child has some talent. It needs a good teacher like Mrs. Rajan to spot the talent and encourage the child. Hi all, welcome to today's class. In this class, we are going to discuss about a short and a beautiful story entitled The Sweet Sound of Success by Nandini Nair. As I said at the beginning, every child has some kind of talent and it needs a teacher to find it out and encourage it. Just like Mrs. Rajan found out the talent in Rishi. Now, who is Mrs. Rajan and who is Rishi? Come, let's find it out. Let's see what is the story and what all things are happening in class 6th C. The story begins with the clapping in the class for Ali's storytelling. Whole class was appreciating Ali for his storytelling. Later, they all began to discuss on the school day programs. The students as well as the teacher started discussing about the various programs. They discussed on dances, songs, plays, etc. which they can present in the school day. But Rishi was engaged in drawing pictures in his notebook. When all the class, including the students and the teachers, were discussing about different programs that they can conduct in school, in the school day program, one boy, that is Rishi, he was busy drawing something in his book. Then Mrs. Rajan, that is the class teacher, found that he was not listening in the class and asked him to meet her after the class. She saw that Rishi was not listening what she is talking inside the class. So she asked him to meet her after the class. Then Rishi felt that he would be scolded and his parents would be called. He was thinking that teacher told him to meet her after the class and he was afraid. He just thought that the teacher would definitely scold him and she would also ask his parents to come and meet her. Instead of scolding Rishi, Mrs. Rajan, that is the teacher, spoke to him politely. She told him not to draw in the class anymore and she also assigned him a job. She also told him to draw a scenery for the school days program. They are going to conduct a play and for the play they need a scenery. And the teacher told Rishi to draw the scenery for the play. And Rishi was really surprised after hearing this and he was also very happy. He didn't get any scoldings from his teacher and instead of that she spoke to him very politely and also assigned him a great duty, that is to draw the scenery for the school day program. Rishi did exactly what his teacher told him. He prepared the scenery for the play, for the school day program. And everything was ready and Mrs. Rajan, the class teacher, was invited to inspect it, that is to check everything. And when this teacher came in, Rishi's heart was thumping. Though he made a wonderful scenery for the school day, he was worried whether the teacher would like it or not. But to his surprise, what happened was Mrs. Rajan loved it and told him that this is a wonderful piece of art and she started clapping. When she started clapping, the whole class started clapping for Rishi's talent. And finally, he just understood that His talent was truly being appreciated, and Rishi was very happy to hear the sweet sound of success. Hope you all have enjoyed this cute little story which highlighted the important role of a teacher in shaping the hidden talent of the student. And thank you so much for watching.